Hey, it's Rob Pieper, and today we're going to talk about the definition of Scrum. Scrum is a lightweight framework that helps people, teams, and organizations generate value through adaptive solutions to complex problems. In a nutshell, Scrum requires a Scrum Master to foster an environment where a product owner orders the work for a complex problem into a product backlog. The Scrum team turns a selection of the work into an increment of value during a sprint. The Scrum team and its stakeholders inspect the result and adjust for the next sprint. Rinse, repeat. Scrum is simple. Just try it as is. See if its philosophy, theory, and structure don't help you also accomplish goals and generate value. The Scrum framework is purposefully incomplete. Sometimes I say annoyingly incomplete. Because it doesn't tell you everything. It only defines the parts required to implement Scrum theory. Scrum is built upon the collective intelligence of the people using it. Rather than provide people with detailed instructions, the rules of Scrum guide their interactions and their relationships. Various processes, techniques, and methods can be employed within the framework. Scrum wraps around your existing processes or makes them completely unnecessary. Wait, what? Makes them unnecessary? What we sometimes find is that when you employ Scrum, you realize you're doing a lot of things that make Scrum not work, and you have to make a choice. Use Scrum.
You take the blue pill.
Or do what you were doing before.
You take the red pill.
But if what you were doing before doesn't get you the results you're hoping for, perhaps Scrum has a better answer. Scrum makes visible the relative efficacy of your current management, environment, and work techniques so that improvements can be made. So what is all this saying about Scrum? What it's saying is that Scrum is a pretty lightweight framework. It's got some things in there that you should do, but they're designed to expose the way that you're working now and expose if it's working or not. Sometimes we find that our current management practices aren't effective, or that our current environment isn't conducive to an agile environment, or that our work practices and techniques are hurting us or holding us back. Scrum exposes all this so we can look at it with our own eyes and make decisions about how to improve it. Scrum doesn't tell you everything. You're going to have to think for yourself when using the Scrum framework, and that's by design. So like Scrum said, just try it out. Just use it the way it comes out of the box. Try it for like 6 months. And if it really doesn't work, well, maybe Scrum isn't for you. But if you're developing complex problems, and you're trying to manage risk, and things are changing all the time, I'm willing to bet Scrum is going to work for you. If you like this video, there's a like button. And if you want to subscribe, there's a button there too. And hit that notification bell to get the latest updates.